Hey guys, welcome back. Now we're going to put all the stuff we've made into the journal. Okay. That is a tuck spot. I have some small pieces here. Belly band. I'm going to put a journaling card in, I think. Those are all the tags. Yeah. Sorry, I didn't mean to hit you guys. Fabric clip, pocket. Yep. Okay. Okay, what do I'm going to put a card in, I think. Okay. That is a pocket as well. And it is a little belly band. One, two, three. Got something in there already. Do I want to put... I think I do want to glue that in. So... and that can be written on. Hope you guys are doing well today. Let's see, another tag, I think. Will it? Fit? It will. My phone is gonna ring. It's alright. They can leave a message. Don't have any. I could put a die cut in there. Okay. Another journaling card. Too big. This is a tuck spot. I want to put a tag in there. Okay, 1, 2, 3. anything. Pocket. Oh, I've got two of them. Okay. Another pocket. Here. Excellent. That's just glued on. Okay. I want that one. I think I want that one. So it's got greens in there. Little tuck spot there. Okay. That, two. It's just a, there's a tuck spot. Oh, nope, that don't fit. Okay. But that does. Okay. So we can put a tag right there. And then we can put this other journaling card right here in the front. And then we'll do a flip through. The rest of that I can put up for future use. Alright, so we have the front cover here. We have a tag and a journaling card. I also have this belly band. I could put that like that. Okay, so we have a little pocket there. Plenty of writing space. Got our belly band there. Little specimen card. And another little small journaling card. Our little fabric flip. Tag. Another tag. Journaling card. I didn't stamp that one. That's okay. Just a little mason jar with a bee on it, and I thought it was cute. Another journaling card with the belly band. The little fan pocket with a tag. It's kind of a little, another tag there with a pocket. Die cut. Do I want another one? Yeah. Put the little bee one in there. And then we have a journaling card. Wonder if I should, I think I will go ahead and glue that one down. was not so plain. Writing space, another tag. Kind of hold that in place a little better. Yeah, it's just glued down, making sure it wasn't a tuck spot. Didn't want to miss anything. Yeah, it's glued down too. A little tag. A journaling card. Another tag. And that's just glued to the page for added prettiness there. Journaling card. Like I said, plenty of space to write on. Another tag. Journaling card. This is a little tearaway notebook. It used to be written on or whatnot. Anything. More journaling space. Tuck spot there. More journaling space. And a journaling card and a tag on this side. And then the back, of course, is just plain. And then we have the little bead dangles and tassels. And she just closes up like this. So just kind of bright and happy. Don't have anything else that I want to put on the front. Like words or anything. Kind of like that one that says chase the sun. There we go. Alright, so there we have it. We are done with the bead journal. And when we come back, I've got a tutorial on how to make white and clear gesso. In case you don't want to pay for it. Chances are you already got the stuff in your stash to do it. So, there it is. Alright, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys back here again really soon. Bye.